All right, here we are, guys. This is me, Marlon. Let's talk about getting locked and loaded, just in case you haven't got locked and loaded already. So let's talk about what happened 3 days ago and how you guys can get set up, if you haven't already, with your very own automated marketing system, a sales funnel. Now, listen up, guys. You came into a page that looks exactly like this one, right? And what I did was I actually handed over to you guys a great book that sold over 100 million copies, by the way, and gave you guys a free download to that book. It's called Think and Grow Rich. So it's a very powerful book. And when you talk about mindset, which I talked about in my welcome video, you guys are going to get a lot of mindset and a lot of perspective by reading the chapters in this book. So I strongly encourage you guys to download the book and start reading it. If it's just a chapter a day, do that, okay? Now, when we talk about what happened 3 days ago, you came into one of my capture pages for my automated marketing system, and you actually gave me your name and your email address, okay? And when you did that, guys, you were actually, let's move back a little bit, you were actually redirected to my sales presentation page. And my partner talked a little bit more about the YBR Fast Cash system and how you guys can actually get set up. And you guys picked up that free gift and you read it, and hopefully you're excited about that, okay? Now, I'm talking to you guys about what happened because this is exactly the type of systematic approach you'll have as you begin marketing with your automated marketing system and your sales funnel. Now, let's talk about what you should be doing in the process of doing if you haven't already done it, right? So if you are in the process of setting up your system, just take your time, guys, and go on and get set up with the actual system. And then you want to make sure you come down here to the very bottom, guys. You want to join our Facebook team group right here by clicking this link right below. If you guys haven't done it already, you're going to have another opportunity to do it, so sit tight. Secondly, guys, you want to make sure you join the company Facebook group, okay? The company Facebook group. But if you need to contact me for any reason at all, you all have my email address and my mobile device number. You can text that or email me. Just make sure you put question from all in the subject line. But we want to get you guys up and running as fast as you possibly can. Now, the reason I mentioned those Facebook groups, because if you got any questions at all, in addition to reaching out to me, you can also get those questions answered inside the Facebook team group and the company Facebook group as well. So guys, let's talk about what else happened 3 days ago when you actually entered your name into my particular capture page. You should have got an email from me to saying, it's me, Marlon. Let's get locked and loaded. If you clicked on that email, guys, it redirected you to an actual bridge page where I talked a little bit more about myself and my particular journey as an internet marketer up to this point. And we continued, right? We moved from there back over to the actual system itself. This is where you should be. This is where you want to be. And this is how you can get yourself up and running. Now, keep in mind, guys, the exact same capture page that you saw and that you came through will be an identical capture page that you'll be using to do the exact same thing that just happened to you. This is how you're going to go out and do what we start calling prospecting, okay? Now, do you guys have to do videos like I do? No, you don't. I'm just a video fanatic. I like doing it. I like being up close and personal. So I wanted to make sure that I got up close and personal, and I wanted to talk to you guys again about exactly what happened. And we just ran through the steps. You guys know that the system works because you ended up on every single page that I just showed you. And if you checked your email address, you should have had an actual email from me on one of my many lists that I build saying, welcome, let's get locked and loaded, okay? So guys, if you came in through this page and you're excited about the new marketing system, and go ahead on and get yourself set up, right? Go ahead and take your time and start setting yourself up. Let's go over here for a second. Start getting yourself set up through registering for the actual business so that you can start earning those commissions that we talked about. And secondly, guys, so you can get the actual marketing system, the sales funnel, the exact same one, to include several capture pages that you'll use, that you can select and use, you know, in your marketing. And that particular capture page will redirect to this particular sales presentation, right? And then you'll also have a series of emails that will start to follow up with your potential prospects, the potential people who are looking for ways to make money from home, working on the internet. So that's a lot to be excited about, guys. And I want to say thanks a lot. Big props to you guys for opting into the actual page. Keep your eyes on your emails from me. It's marlonobennett@gmail.com, guys, because we're going to be talking a lot more about making money, working from home, operating your own business. And the reason why I want you guys to stay plugged into the emails is because this system, right, really does 90% of the work for you. Every system that I use does 90% of my work for me. By joining those Facebook groups that I just mentioned, by diving into the actual training that we have inside those Facebook groups and just following along, you're going to realize, guys, at the end of the day, lead and traffic generation is really the business that we're in, okay? And we're going to show you guys how to get tons of eyeballs on not only this offer, but anything that you want using the Done For You marketing system. So again, if you guys haven't done so already, I'll leave this link below this video, and you guys can jump right over here, listen to the presentation again. And again, if you have any questions, guys, don't hesitate to reach out and talk to me, okay? So if you haven't locked and loaded already, let's get locked and loaded now, okay? Anyway, I thank you guys again so much. As always, this is your boy Marlon O Bennett, wishing you guys wisdom, peace, prosperity, and to living a dynamic digital internet lifestyle without limits. Keep banging, guys, and I'll see you on the next video.